Good morning all. At least it's dry today. We are working on this Audi A3 in Pulborough in West Sussex. Clients called us in because they've got reported sticky turbo vanes. We're doing a 4-stage carbon clean on it. That is our hydrogen generating machine. This machine here, pulsing hydrogen into the engine as we speak. Okay. Our second stage, which is the injector cleaner, our full stage, which is the DPF preventative regeneration aid, and most importantly for the turbo vanes, our third stage chemical for helping aiding cleaning the oily gunk and drying the carbon out before we put the hydrogen machine onto the engine. This process takes about 45 minutes. Costs £179.99. The reason that the client went with the 4-stage service is he required the 3-stage for the sticky turbo vanes, but also wanted to ensure that he protected himself from clogging up the DPF, so he included the full stage regeneration aid for the DPF. So yeah, if you need our services, our telephone number is 01293 769495, or you can message us or put a comment below. So have a great day.